to my channel. I'm so happy that you decided to click on my video today. So today I have decided to bake something that I've baked cookies before, of course, but I've never used this particular recipe. This is my first time attempting to make miniature chocolate chip cookies. And if you've watched my channel before, you know that I love switching up things. So I used a basic mini chocolate chip bite recipe and I switched it up a little bit by adding some additional ingredients. I've got two loved ones that recently had surgery and I wanted to, of course, cheer them up with some of the things that I could bake for them. So I decided to do some little mini chocolate chip cookies just so they can have just a little something sweet and, stay on their little diets or whatever, but just to have a little something sweet. So check this out. This is a chocolate chip Heath cookie. I added a little Heath candy bites to this one. I used chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. In addition, this is a chocolate chip caramel cookie. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest little thing? Now, of course, my oven did not bake these cookies up this perfect. It did not. You'll have to watch all the way to the end of the video to see how I ended up with these perfectly round little cookies. This is a quick recipe that'll take no time. So follow along as we bake some mini chocolate chip bites. But I added some things to mine so you could say mini chocolate chip Heath bar, chocolate chip white chip caramel cookie bite treats. How about that? The ingredients that you'll need for these delicious chocolate chip cookie bites, or mini chocolate chip cookies as I call them, are chocolate chips, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, brown sugar, granulated sugar, eggs, melted butter, and your choice of toppings. Now I am doubling this recipe, so that's why you see so many ingredients. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix together all of your dry ingredients. To the bowl of your stand mixer, add your butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and mix them together thoroughly on a medium speed. Then add your eggs and vanilla extract, mixing it together thoroughly. Then, on a low speed, add your flour. I like to do the final mixing by hand just to make sure that all of our flour is well incorporated before folding in our chocolate chips. I allowed my dough to rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Scoop your cookie dough out on a lined baking sheet. Here I am using a silicone baking mat, which I love using because it aids in easy cleanup. Shape your cookie dough into little balls and then press your desired topping into each little cookie bite. I'm topping my cookies, as you can see, with little caramel bites. Also, little Heath topping bites, but you can use whatever topping you choose. You're going to bake your cookies in a preheated 350 degree oven for 6 minutes, depending on how large your cookies are. And there you have it. Don't they look delicious? But these were just a little bit too large for me. So you'll see in a little while how I solved that problem. And there you have it, my secret. After carefully shaping my cookies, I allowed them to continue to cool on a baking rack to ensure that they were nice and firm. And there you have it. These mini little chocolate chip cookie treats. Now, let's talk about what I would do different. Look at all this cookie dough that's left over because I wanted my little cookies to be perfect. And here's the little utensil that I use. You see that? It's like a little cookie cutter, biscuit cutter, whatever. I don't know. But this is what I used in order to get that perfect shape. We're going to do a taste test with our scraps. I got caramel in that bite. These are delicious. Not too sweet. but I've had a couple of these little pieces while I was baking, so I already know that they're all good. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel where we bake these cute little chocolate chip cookies. Join me next time where there's no telling what I might bake. As a matter of fact, comment down below if there's a recipe that you would like me to try. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, share, subscribe, all those wonderful YouTube things. But most of all, bake with your family. Be blessed. Bye.